Find your sisters and brothers who can hear all the truth in what you say. They can support you